Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how quick and easy it was for me to install this lace closure wig, so just keep on watching. This wig is from Klaiyi hair, and I'm sure I'm butchering the name, but I will have all the information down below in the description bar. So I received a 5x5 HD curly lace closure wig, and I believe it's 24 inches. So here is how everything looked once I first received it. And as you can see, this wig is constructed very well, and it's also very full. So here I'm showing you how the knots did not come bleached, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how I use makeup to hide the knots. Okay, so before I install this unit, I want to show you the makeup that I use, and I will have a link down below in the description bar just in case you want to pick some up yourself. So once I applied the wig, I'm positioning it to my liking, and then I'm going to cut off the extra lace in the front. I really like the HD lace because as you can see, it's just melting right into my skin as I cut. So here I'm checking out I'm trying to see if my edges are going to show, if the wind blow or anything like that. I do that to all my lace closure wigs, but as you can see, nothing is showing. So now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm flattening out the top. And then after that, I'm taking out some baby hair. After doing my baby hair, that's really about it. The only thing I have left to do is I'm spraying the hair with some water, and I'm taking my hands and I'm just scrunching up the curls just to make them pop a little bit more. But that's it. That's all I had to do to this unit. Oh yeah, also, so please excuse the extra powder that's underneath my right eye. I'm not sure how I missed that, but I am so sorry. I only noticed once I started editing this video, so please excuse that and just concentrate on this gorgeous wig, okay? Okay. So yeah, so this is the final look. I love the curls on this unit, and I love how the HD lace just melts into my skin. And also the curls on this unit is very low maintenance. I didn't have to do much. So yeah, so I will have all the information down below in the description bar, so go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and Happy New Year. Bye bye.